So bacteria and viruses don't like vegetables because bacteria and viruses penetrate living tissue, like as far as like meat and flesh. So when you consume lots of plants, the chlorophyll from the mass amounts of chloroplasts and the green things you eat, it makes your body uninhabitable to viruses and bacteria and certain things like that, pathogens and other microorganisms that depend upon flesh and tissue to dwell in. A virus is only alive when it comes in contact with living tissue, but it remains dormant until then. So a virus does not display any symptoms or functions or aspects or attributes of being alive until it comes in contact with, like, you know, living flesh. It's flesh. It seeks a host, just as the virus itself is a host. A virus is actually an encapsulated form of a punished being from a previous life. When you've done so much evil in your life, you'll be demoted down to a microcosmic world, or a smaller world than the world in which you existed in your previous life and did all that evil. And that's why the potency of a virus is such that it is, because even in its previous life in the macro world, or a macro world of a larger macrocosmic world, it actually did so much damage that it was demoted and encapsulated and contained in a form that could be controlled, because other than that it would be just totally devastating to anything or anything around it. And that's why viruses are so potent to this day. So yeah, when you actually consume plant matter, you are what you eat to a certain degree, that you break down and become a part of whatever it is that you're consuming. So cell wall, they say you can't break down plant cell wall and cellulose. That's not true. It just takes a longer amount of time. And meat has no form. It's real soft. So the body structure and the infrastructure, just like a plant's infrastructure, it's fibrous xylem and phloem. It gives your body structure. You get more structure to your body by eating plants than by actually consuming meat. Meat is real squishy. You know, meat is squishy and whatnot. So the consistency of meat is not conducive to maintain the structure of a temple, if that makes any sense.